Objectives of Central Council. Consumer Protection Act continued. The right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services which are hazardous to life and property. The right to be informed about the quality, quantity, potency, purity standard and price of goods or services, as in the case may be also to protect the consumer against unfair trade practices. The right to be assured wherever possible access to a variety of goods and services at competitive prices. The right to be heard and to be assured that consumers' interests will receive due consideration at appropriate forums. The right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or restrictive trade practices or unscrupulous exploitation of consumers. The right to consumer education. The right against consumer exploitation. Objectives of State Council. The objects of every State Council shall be to promote and protect within the state and rights of the consumers laid down in clauses 1 to 7 in Central Council objectives. Know your consumers' rights. Consumer rights in India. The right to be protected from all kinds of hazardous goods and services. The right to be fully informed about the performance and quality of all goods and services. The right to free choice of goods and services. The right to be heard in all decision-making processes related to consumer interests. The right to seek redressal whenever consumer rights have been infringed. The right to complete consumer education. If there is infringement of rights of consumer, then a complaint can be made under the following circumstances and reported to the close by designated consumer court. The goods or services purchased by a person or agreed to be purchased by a person has one or more defects or deficiencies in any respect. A trader or a service provider resort to unfair and restrictive practices of trade. A trader or service provider, if charges a price more than the price displayed on the goods of or the price that was agreed upon between the parties, or the price that was stipulated under law that exists. Consumer rights. Know your rights. Right to safety, right to information, right to choose, right to be heard, right to redressal, right to consumer education, right to healthy environment, and right to basic needs. Areas of application. Have a consumer problem with a product or a company in the following categories: apparel, automobiles, computers and networking, etc. Consumer protection in healthcare. Can you trust your doctor? Negligence is the conduct that falls below the standard of care. The standard of care is established by the law for the protection of consumers against unreasonable practices which create risk or harm. Nursing Practice Act describes and defines the legal boundaries of nursing practice within each state. The INC and SNC, the universities, regulate the standards of negligence. Sources of negligence: medication errors, intravenous therapy errors, burn to client caused by equipments, false resulting injury to the clients, failure to use aseptic techniques when required, errors in sponge, instruments, needles, etc. With advancement in nursing and expanded role of nurses, nurses are in a position to take independent decision. This increases their responsibility and commitment. Nurses have to abide by the laws related to informed consent for operation, invasive procedure, correct identity.